Hello everyone, this is Ellis Raynes speaking. My call sign is WB105. It's very short. My email is ellisraynesdmspweather@gmail.com. Today we're experiencing some good craziness that you did not expect after a long year. In 2025 and I think 2024, Santa Clara and Ivins here in the Utah area, in the southwestern part of Washington County, is experiencing a high wind warning, and it's still in effect right now. And of course, here's one of the rules that require you to listen to. 1. Stay indoors. There are objects that have been loose. Some objects that are loose can be trees and dust and random debris that you do not know about. This could be some Christmas lights if they ever get hooked up. That's a crazy meaning. And another thing is that literally you have to stay indoors for that exact reason. If you don't have a jacket, or if you have a jacket and you have your hood on, it will blow away and you'll get cold again. Like, brr, I'm already cold right now. I don't have a jacket, but I'm here to report. Now I'm going to be telling you that apparently loose objects can flung, possibly such as wood. Wood can literally flung right at you, or could maybe hit you at high rates of speeds. And I believe they might be 50 miles per hour or faster. So yeah, this is recorded on an iPhone 12, 4K 60 frame, recorded on 4K 60 frames per second. So that's why it looks pretty smooth. So I'm here at station 47, which is in the townhome area of Blackhawk Townhomes, because that's where it was. And apparently the garage door is closed, so cruiser number 904 won't be damaged. So I require you to stay indoors so no injuries could happen. Also, when you're indoors, don't open up any windows. The little covers, they can also pierce through if there's anything lightly loose that's there. So that's loose. You see that? Let's say it removed, like you take it out like it was taken out by the wind. It will blow everywhere. Let's say you're right there and it comes right at you like it's coming from that home. Ow, you're injured. But you can see it's cold. The temperature is really cold. I will give y'all an email, and my email is ellisraynesdmspweather@gmail.com. Yes. So, stay indoors. Listen to Elias. If you need any info of Utah's weather, give me an email at ellisraynesdmspweather@gmail.com. My last name is spelled Raynes. Raynes. R-A-N. I don't know how to write this. E-S. Raynes. And my name is like normal Ellis, but it's pronounced Elias for some reason. But, yeah, the video's about to end. So, see you later. Peace out.